below. In this video, I'll teach you how to deposit and withdraw on Binance Exchange app. This is how Binance Exchange homepage looks like. It's quite confusing for newbies, as it has a lot of features. Even myself needs to explore it for a while to get familiarized. Now, let me show you how to deposit your cryptocurrency on Binance Exchange app. Tap on Deposit. Make sure you are under Spot Trading tab. You can select here if the coin is already showing. If not, just tap on Deposit again. Make sure it's under Crypto. Once confirmed, search the coin you want to deposit on the search bar. Let me pick Bitcoin. Make sure to choose the right blockchain network of your deposit. You can copy the address or scan the QR code. Important reminder, send only Bitcoin to this deposit address. Sending any other coin or token to this address may result in loss of your deposit. Coins will be deposited after one network confirmation. Until two confirmations are made, an equivalent amount of your asset will be temporarily unavailable for withdrawal. Let me show you another coin sample. Let's pick Tether or USDT. You can directly buy crypto via P2P trading or using debit or credit card. But if you want to deposit via external wallet, just click on Deposit. Carefully choose the network again. ERC20 token will be under Ethereum blockchain. Once selected, you can copy the address or scan the QR code to deposit. Alright, this time I'll show you how to withdraw your crypto assets on Binance Exchange app. Make sure you are under Spot Trading again, and then tap on Withdraw. Under Crypto tab, you will see the amount of your available coins for withdrawal. Select the coin you want to withdraw. Paste your external address here, and input the amount you want to withdraw. Please be reminded that your fund arrival time to your external wallet may differ. That depends on how many confirmations they needed on the blockchain. Withdrawal to Binance address will refund the fee. And do not withdraw directly to a crowdfund or ICO. Binance will not credit your account with tokens from the sale. Binance support hundreds of tokens in the market, so it's easy for you to deposit and withdraw. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Binance video tutorial. See you on my next video.